Yeah. I picked this up at the thrift store last year. And by last year, it was like December, like middle of December of 2023. It was $3. I thought it was unique in a way. A homemade Switchbox. Unfortunately, that cord will have to be replaced because I just would feel better with a thicker cord and one with a ground plug. Because this is one of them thin lamp cords. So, I guess what I'm going to do, we're going to plug it up and we're going to give it a go. Okay, it's plugged up. That's right there, but unfortunately the switch is backwards, so on is off and off is on. So just to prove that it does, it's like I got it hooked up to this little bing. So here's on. And we'll turn it off. So that's that. A little homemade Switchbox thing. I picked up at the thrift store last year. So next time, wherever it is, I'm going to say thanks for watching. Comic Box is open.